PAYOUT Jr. and in today's video, dealing with a very common error here. This error 1016, origin DNS error coming from, it's always from Cloudflare, obviously. Cloudflare is actually an excellent service to use as far as like switching up your DNS servers and all that good stuff. But anyway, so the thumbnail and the title, I think will well, at least the thumbnail is done, but the title, is what can you do as a visitor of the site? Okay, you want to visit this site and it keeps coming up with with this error message here, this error 1016 message and so forth. Now basically there it really is on the host side. There really isn't much that you can do as a visitor to the website. It's on the host to do some particulars when they are logged in to Cloudflare. So as a visitor, it's basically just refreshing it. The only other thing that you can possibly do is use 1.1.1.1. So it is literally available on every device, an operating system. So now it used to just be you would put it in manually as a DNS server. It's actually a pretty good program though. It's very secure and it's very fast. Well, I'm not downloading. Hold on. So Windows installation instructions. Long story. Obviously, it just shows you, what to do after you have downloaded the, I guess what they call the Warp. The Warp app. And basically, it allows you, while you're connected to the internet, instead of going through your internet service provider's DNS server, you go through theirs, and surprisingly, it's actually a lot quicker. If not, the last time I checked, it was at least 5 times quicker, and Komodo had one as well. So it's just good to have in general, but this is literally your only possible option if it even works. And if you like the program or app just in general, then continue to use it. But a lot of it is literally on the host side. So now, so yeah, that's it. Check that out. The website's literally 1.1.1.1. So now, as far as the host goes, so that was a visitor. You can't really do much except try that program / app. I'm just gonna put a link to this site. I did read it from top to bottom, and I have used Cloudflare in the past. This is like an old account, but basically you're gonna log in, and on the left hand side there should be something there that says DNS, and on that DNS side is where all of these instructions, which they take you through step by step, whatever. It's why can't Cloudflare get your DNS records automatically, blah blah blah. Okay, it's literally a couple things to do in order to resolve this error. So it has you trying out a couple different things, even using one of their specific programs as well. Here it is, the Cloudflare DNS lookup tool to confirm. Now, if you have Cloudflare, you know what CNAME is. So you make sure that everything's in order, and then also, they use this in GoDaddy too, as so. But we're talking about Cloudflare. So So I will put a link in the description for this specific site. So because they have, like I said, they go step by step. It's this guy, uh, Jake Cicino or something like that. So he does a pretty good job. There's also another one here that's actually on the, where is it? On the Cloudflare web, the Cloudflare community site. Now, even though this topic was made in 2019, there's still this, fixing error, whatever, 530, error 1016, so a lot of people have had this issue, and so this is if you are the host of the website and you're having this issue, definitely check out. I'll put a link for both descriptions, for both of the websites in the description, so you can check it out step by step instead of, running all over the place. 'Cause I know this can be a real pain in the butt. So, but yeah, so it's usually, just something really minor that is on your end. It typically isn't Cloudflare's end. It's something that possibly got changed on your side, and you have to change it on Cloudflare's side. So yeah, so links will be in the description for everything, and I hope this helps you guys. Like I said, both of these are excellent resources in order to do it. Sorry I could not do a walkthrough. I don't have an actual website in Cloudflare anymore that I could do it step by step. So the best I can do is point you in the right direction. So alright everybody, thank you very much for watching, and have a good day, morning, evening, night, all that good stuff. See you in the next one. Goodbye.